chasing shadow clouds, trying to achieve something unrealistic or impossible.
He is chasing shadow clouds by hoping to get rich overnight.
Whispering walls, places or people that reveal hidden truths over time. The old house has whispering walls that reveal past stories. Footprints on the wind, actions or words that leave no lasting effect. His convincing words for her were like footprints on the wind. Lighting invisible candles, trying to help quietly without recognition. He is lighting invisible candles for his colony people. Holding shattered glass, trying to manage something fragile or risky. She is holding shattered glass while handling the office conflict. Threading sunlight, finding hope or positivity in small things. She is threading sunlight into every difficult task. Carrying autumn winds, dealing with rapidly changing situation. She is carrying autumn winds while handling sudden office changes. Dancing with echoes, dwelling on past memories instead of living in the present. He is dancing with echoes of his young age. Catching falling stars, attempting something very rare or difficult. She is catching falling stars by applying for top jobs abroad. Planting frozen seeds, wasting effort on something that cannot succeed. He is planting frozen seeds by hoping the old computer will work like new. Sipping midnight, enjoying quiet reflection or solitude. He is sipping midnight with a warm cup of tea. Building sandcastles at noon. Doing something doomed to fail? He is building sandcastles at noon.